wind down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze what we got going on, but I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's up being away from me. Till I put it down, feel like synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. And you won't find nobody that's not me as real as me. Let's do infinity. You won't find nobody better. Let's do infinity. You won't find nobody better. Wait, let's do infinity.
Hi everybody, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. This is A Train Travels from Penang, Malaysia. So the other day I was on booking.com searching through properties in Penang, and I came across the landmark Seaview Gurney apartment here in Penang. I'm not sure if you guys do know, but right now Malaysia is on a nationwide lockdown, which means you cannot travel, which means you cannot eat at restaurants or eat anywhere in public places. So I ended up just searching through booking.com, found this place for $35 US, which includes 3 bathrooms, which includes 3 bedrooms, 5 beds, 3 balconies, gym, and a swimming pool. Now, unfortunately, because of the lockdown, I cannot swim or use the gym. But guys, this place for $35, I was shocked what I witnessed on the website. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna book this place for one night. So let me show you guys around my apartment where I stay for one night. I don't think Malaysia has theirs. Okay, everybody. So I just walked out of the swimming pool area, and right above it, I'm about to show you guys my room, my apartment where I stay for one night, which is the best part, by the way. So over here they have 3 elevators, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Going up. Okay, so there's 41 floors on this in this apartment complex. Let's close this up. Let's do 26. So the one thing you gotta mention is, like, every time you gotta use the elevator, you gotta use this key. If you have to get inside of your apartment, you gotta use this key. And the main entrance, you have to use this key also twice. So very important to have. Without this, you'll be sleeping on the streets. Okay, we have arrived. We have arrived. 26th floor, everyone. 26th floor. And here we are, entering my palace, guys. My 5-bedroom palace. 8262. And if you wanna ring the doorbell, you just gotta go like this.
All I want is money, power, respect, though. Can I take our foot up off they necks? No. I saw the door, yeah, we next, bro. Do not call my phone, send a text.
Here we are, everybody. Welcome home. Welcome home, everyone. Alright, let me lock this bitch up and then show you the entrance. Okay, everybody. So I just walked into my apartment. The first thing I want to show you guys is the kitchen, the refrigerator, the microwave, and I also have my own personal bathroom inside my room. So let's check it out. So here we are, everybody. This is the fridge. Over here we got a freezer, bam, and we got a refrigerator on this side too. fully equipped kitchen, sink, cutting board, knives, spoons, forks, everything that you need. You have a gas, you have a stove here where you can cook, but I'm not sure if cooking is allowed here. And they also have an oven also, coffee, tea maker, glasses, plates, cups, everything that you need. And also, there's a microwave. So here's the microwave, and I got my own personal bathroom up in here. So this is one of the 3 bathrooms that I have in my apartment, and the shower too, by the way. You can even take showers here. So 3 people or even more can take. So maybe 6 people at the same time can take the same shower. Could be at different places at the same time. Let me show you. And my kitchen even has a view too. So let me show you the view. Check this out. Check it out. Bam. So here's the view. I don't know if you guys can see because it's you probably cannot see, but over there on the same floor, right over there is the ocean water. You can see the ocean. And here's the elevators, everyone. How cool is that? Oh, how do you close this? Oh, that's not how you do it. This is how you do it. Here we go. Let's lock this baby up. So, my kitchen even has a view too. All right, up next, we have the living room, everyone. So this is the living room. It seats about 8 people here. 8 people. So we got like 8 cups, 8 plates, flowers, paintings. There's the AC over here. AC, the remote control for the AC, and a few paintings on this side. Okay, everybody. So this is where I slept last night. Even though I have 5 beds, for some reason I chose the couch to sleep on. I don't know why, but I always like to sleep on couches. And yeah, so this is the living room area, everyone. We have a couch over here. We have another couch over there, a small table. So some paintings and also television. The television over here, lamp over here, and you have free Wi-Fi here, free TV. I think you can have a Netflix here too as well. I'm not really sure. I didn't watch TV too much, but this is the place, everyone. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. And my place got 3 balconies. 3 balconies. So this is the first balcony from my living room. Let me show you guys my balcony. So let's open this baby up. We have 2 chairs here. Over here, you can even place a candle. For the evening, have a coffee here. Now, smoking, you cannot smoke here. You'll get a fine, I think, up to 300 ringgits. So no smoking is allowed. But if you want to take the risk, that is up to you. That is up to you. But this is the view from my balcony, everyone. And this place here is beautiful. We have 2 buildings over here. There's the water, and that is the mainland of. So this whole Penang Island, it is an island, and over there is the mainland of Penang. And right in front of me, if you look towards that way, is what do you call it? Is Georgetown, and that over there is Qatar Building Mall. There's Gurney Mall that way, and so that over there is Georgetown. When you wake up every single morning here, I had one of the most amazing mornings. I woke up, I heard the birds chirping, the sunrise was so beautiful. The sky, the clouds, they were pink. It was unreal. Such a relaxing atmosphere. Very beautiful place. Very, very beautiful place. I've never had 3 balconies where I stayed before. Period. So yeah, very excited. Yeah, and over here is like a green step area too. You can walk here. I don't know. you can do many things on this balcony. Oh man, that's crazy. All right, we are going back in. Going back in. Over here, we also have another AC here as well. The fan, actually, you don't even need the fan, but AC works really nice. Very, very, very comfortable to stay here. Very comfortable. Let me show you the second bathroom. So here's the second bathroom, everybody. Shower, toilet, sink, everything that you need. Toilet paper, hose for your booty, and we got soap, and no, we got body shampoo and soap. And yeah, body shampoo and soap. So that's the shampoo and that's the body wash. Let me show you the second room over here too. So this is the second room. It has 2 beds, big size beds actually. I think this is king size or queen size bed. I'm not really sure, but it's massive. So I slept here this morning for maybe like 1 hour. We have drawers up in there. You can put your clothes away. Another AC, conditioner. So every room is equipped with AC. So you have nothing to worry about. Like every bedroom has AC. Except for the bathrooms. The bathroom has no AC. Yeah. And there's the clock over here too. And we have a lamp over here. And of course, the second balcony over here, guys. The second balcony. Bam. Bam. All right. Let me show you the other bedroom. Now this place has no window, but it's nice. It's big, it's spacious. You have outlets over here. You have a lamp over there. Big size bed. Also, you have the AC as well here. They can control. Lighting is very good. And over here is the closet where you can put your things away, your luggage, your storage. So. Yeah, this is not a bed. I got 5 beds in my apartment, everybody. 5 beds, yo. 5 beds. And last but not least is my third room. So this is another room where I stayed. Over there, I slept maybe for like 10 minutes. I really had a hard time deciding where I wanted to sleep for one night because I have 5 beds, 2 couches, so it's very difficult for me to decide. Yeah, so this is the room here. Again, balcony on this side too. You have a balcony that you can step on. Beautiful views from up top. One of the best views in Penang, in my mind. Yeah, so there's 2 beds here. Let's close this baby up. And up next, everybody, is the third bathroom. Let me show you the third bathroom, everyone. So here's the third bathroom, everyone. Shower, toilet, everything that you need. Sink, mirror. What we got over here? We got drawers here. We have a ironer. We have a hair dryer for your hair, for the ladies. And over here we have a praying rug too. So if you need to pray, there's a rug here as well, and more drawers over here. More more hangers here, more space. Now I haven't used, actually no, I haven't had the chance to use all 3 bathrooms, so I only used 2 bathrooms because I did not have enough time. There's too many things to try at this apartment, and I'm very curious about everything. Anyways. Yeah, so this is the place, everybody. But this is probably one of my favorite rooms over here because it's got 2 beds and they're like spaced out. It has a balcony, has a private bathroom. So this is a nice room, definitely. We have outlets over there too, lamp, everything that you need. Really nice spot, really nice place. Very spacious, very clean, and we got our mirror over here. Nice, really nice. Really nice place. On the 5th floor, everybody, it's like the lounge area. There's the playground. There's a swimming pool. There's pool for the kids. Pool for the big boys, for the grown-ups. And there's a BBQ area too, where you can do barbecues. But because of the MCO, the nationwide lockdown, you cannot go swimming. You cannot use the gym, and the gym is also on the 4th floor too. So there's a gym also if you gotta work out. And what else? It's very safe here too. There's security pretty much on every single floor. Security at the entrance, security on the 5th floor, guards everywhere. And you have to have your key to use the elevator to enter the room. I mean the apartment. So it's very secure, very safe. For $35, this whole place is amazing, man. I was bored out of my mind the other day, and I was on booking.com trying to, just like randomly searching through places, and then I came across this apartment here, and then I decided to book for one night, like 1400 square feet, I think this is crazy. 3 bedrooms, 3 balconies, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, refrigerator. That's insane, man. That's crazy. All right, this is it for my video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, by the way, the last thing I wanted to mention is that if you're looking to get a monthly rate here, it's much cheaper. The management did mention that there is a unit for 45 ringgit, which is like 10 bucks per night, that you can book a long-term stay for maybe like a month or so, and it's only 45 ringgit, which is like 10 US dollars. So if you're looking for a long-term stay, like one unit studio, which is big too, it's very spacious, it's I think 800 feet. So this is the place, everybody. I don't want to leave, man. Like 1 night here is not enough. But I mean, I came here just to do the review here of this place, because for $35 and the value that I received for this room is unreal. How's that even possible? Anyways, but like in other countries, like maybe New York, Boston, LA, San Francisco, maybe Amsterdam, maybe London, Hong Kong, man, this place like this will cost maybe 10 times the price it is now, maybe even 20 the price. It's crazy. But Malaysia is very affordable. It's a nice place to live here, very nice, and the food here is so delicious, man. Thank you very much for watching. If you have a chance, man, I definitely book here. This is a great spot for the families too. Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye bye.